Hi everybody, boys and girls. Today we're gonna finish our lesson from yesterday. So we're gonna keep working on the lesson 14.3, which is a bar graph. So do you remember the objective for the lesson? So the objective was draw bar graph and use them to solve problems. So we'll already learn how to draw the bar graph, and you remember our vocabulary, it was a bar graph, and that means the information we use, the category we use, and how we use our information here, and number of the students to draw a bar that show us how many or how much is the number we are using. So here the pages for today is gonna be page 817, 818, and your homework on your book will be on page 819, 820. So today we're gonna start from number 3 here. Everybody open your book, page 817, 817. So here is our problem. So use the bar graph to solve the problem. So they already give us the bar graph, and they want us to answer this question. So when we look at our graph here, we can find all the information we need easily. So here number 3, they said how many students tried after school. So the bar graph is about activity after school activity. So there is some of students, they are doing different activity after school. So some student read, and some student write, some student draw, some student play. So here is the number of the student, and here is the activity they are doing after school. So our label here, or our title, is after school activities. So they said how many students write after school. So let's go back here and see how many students write. So this is the bar, the red one is for writing after school. So we will see, follow the bar and see where the bar ending. So it is ending, go down, line up with this number. So it is ending at 8. Then we will say 8 students. So 8 students are doing writing. Number 4, they said which activity do exactly 5 students do after school. So we're gonna look at our number here. So we will see 5, and we will go up. So this is not this one, not this one. So the purple one, that is the one that 5 students. So if you look at the number, the bar ending with the number 5. So that bar, the purple one, is for reading. Then our answer will be which activity? It will be reading or read. Okay? Then number 5, which activity do the fewest students do after school? So fewest means the less number. So look at the graph here. So look which one you think is the fewest number. If you look, so this is the purple, the red, the orange, and the green up to here. So the orange is the fewest number. So if you go down, it is only 3, and that is draw. So which activity do the fewest students do after school? Is the activity that of drawing. So draw is gonna be our answer, draw. So how many students read or draw after school? So how many students read or draw after school? That means they want us to see how many students read or draw after school. So how many look at the reading. So drawing is 3. So drawing is 3 students, and reading is 5 students. So how many students read or draw after school? So 3 students draw and 5 students read. Then we will have, if we want to put them together, 3 plus 5 equal 8. So 8 students are doing drawing or reading. So number 7, which activity do the most students do after school? Which activity do the student do the most after school? So let's go and see our bar here. So if you look, which one is the longest bar? Do you see? I have purple, red, orange, and green. So the green is the longest one. That means this was the most number of the students are doing. So let's see which is the green. What activity is the green one? So it's play. So most of the students are doing playing after school. So we will write play here. So play is the activity that has the most number, which is 11. So number 8, how many more students play than read after school? So they want us to compare the people who are reading and the people are playing. So how many more play than reading? So let's go see. So the reading is 5, or the reading is 5 students, and the people who play are, look up here. So this is a play from 0 to 11. Then I have 11 students reading, playing, and I have 5 students. So how many more this than this one? Then I will do subtraction. 11 minus 5 equal 6. So 6 students more than the playing. So they are playing than reading. So more 6 than reading. So number 9, how would the graph be different if 2 students change their after school activity from play to read? So if some people like 2 students change from play to read, let's go see. So play has 11. Then if 2 students from here, 1 and 2, move to play, move from play to read. So how will our graph looks like? Then we will have 2 students move from here and go up to the reading. So we will add more students. So let's use the same color. So here, so we will add 2 students will go and join the reading group. So they will move to the reading from playing. So our graph for reading will be up to 7, and our graph, this will cancel 2 from here, already moved. So this will cancel, then the playing will be up to 9. So the playing will be 9 and the reading will be 7. Then let's go and see number 10. So in number 10, they said solve the problems below. So here they give us information, and they want us to finish and draw this bar. So here they said Wanda went to the farm and she bought 8 pears and 5 oranges and 2 apples and 9 peaches. So use this data and to make the bar graph. So we already have the numbers that she used, and we want to write that in our to represent it in our graph. So first of all, we have to put the name or a title for the label the graph first. So here we will put a title so we can write fruits. So she have some fruits. So fruits. And then she has how many kind of fruits? So she has pears, orange, and apple, and peaches. So 4 of them will sit over here. So we will put them here. So first of all, write the pears. So here, pears. And then she has orange, and she has apple, and she has